Hi, today I'm making a traditional Spanish dish. It is incredibly creamy, rich and flavorful, but the most important thing is very easy to make. Let's make creamy Spanish shrimp pasta. Please follow me to the end.
We start with 1 pound of shrimp, cleaned, peeled and deveined, ready to cook. Now season generously with salt and freshly cracked black pepper to bring out the flavor. Add half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Add 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything well until fully combined. In a large skillet, melt 1 teaspoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the shrimp and sauté for about 2 minutes, stirring continuously until they start to turn pink. Avoid overcooking. Overcooked shrimp will lose the tenderness and become stringy. Once cooked, remove the shrimp from the pan and set aside. Finely dice half an onion along with 1 shallot. Add the chopped onion and shallot to the same pan. Dice 1 red pepper into smaller pieces. Add the chopped red pepper to the onion and sauté for about 4 minutes. Dice 4 garlic cloves finely and add to the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to the pan and sauté for about 1 minute. Now stir 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika for a smoky flavor. Pour in 1 cup of chicken broth and stir well. Let the sauce simmer for a few minutes, then add a cup of cream. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, then add 1 pound of spaghetti. Cook for about 10 to 12 minutes until al dente. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain it and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to prevent it from sticking together. Chop some fresh parsley. Sprinkle some chopped parsley over the spaghetti. Add the juice of 1 lemon to the sauce to lift and balance the flavors. Return the shrimp to the pan and simmer for about 2 minutes until everything is nicely coated. Just like that, dinner is ready. Simple, quick, and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.